Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Guide for Data Science. To know more about this, please subscribe and press like button. Our today's topic is Data Science Learning Skill Flow. Let's see what is meant by data science and what are the different job roles and their skill set. Data science. It is mining huge amount of data to identify patterns, includes combination of programming and statistical data and algorithm. It is integration of three domains: computer science, mathematics and domain expertise. Any domain has challenges and problems. These problem solution can be found out with the help of data by doing statistical research, data processing with the help of computer science tools and platforms, and implement different machine learning, deep learning algorithm to them and find out precise optimum solution of the problem. Domain. There are so many domains are available. These are few examples I have given. Domain can be depend on your interest. It can be travel, marketing, telecommunication, healthcare, sales, e-commerce and so on. These are few companies who already use data science in their respective field. Let's take example of Uber, which is public transport service. How Uber used data science in their field? Yes, it used to find optimum way who gives optimum fare to customer as well company. It used data to know whether the routes are traffic free, whether source and destination distance is optimum, and so on. Then Facebook, who also use data science to for social media, for sentimental analysis and so on. Airbnb, which is foreign company who provides service of the lodging, tourism and etc. With the help of available services, he gives the optimum fair service to the customer. Next field is computer science. As in data science, data is base of this field. We should know few database platforms like Hadoop, Apache Spark and so on. We have processed this data with the help of any scripting or programming language like Python, R, Java, Scala, Julia and etc. We should able to visualize this data with the help of visualization tool like Power BI, Desktop, Tableau, QuickView. To implement machine learning, deep learning algorithm to the data, few frameworks are available like TensorFlow, Weka, Spark ML Layer. There are few software as a service, that is SaaS, also available like Google Machine Learning, Azure Machine Learning and so on. From the computer science field, at least this topic we should know very well. The next one is mathematics and statistics. Yes, we are doing statistical analysis of the data, so we should have knowledge of statistics, linear algebra, calculus, distribution of the data. Then what to know from the each field? These are the few topics abstracted from the each domain. We should know about this. How, why and where these skills used in data science field. As there are the different job roles are there in data science: data analyst, data engineer and data scientist. Basically, data analyst process and perform statistical analysis of data. He discovered data and find conclusion and problem solution with the help of data visualization and statistical analysis. For this, he should know programming skill like Python or R. He should know visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. Data engineer, who monitor the data, who build data-driven platform, as well build pipeline for ETL operation, who also do data integration and data accuracy and flexibility. All these tasks he do with the programming skill like Java, Scala or Spark. He should know database tools like Hadoop, Hive, Apache Spark. Then data scientist who gather the information about data, who mine the data, do the analysis of the data, explore detailed analysis of the data, and implement different machine learning, deep learning algorithm to them and deploy it. He should able to communicate final model. All these tasks he can do with the help of programming skill and the machine learning, deep learning tool like TensorFlow, Vega, Keras. Let's take example of banking. In bank, customer details, transaction details securely safely saved by the data engineer. And some services like credit card fraud detection will be done by the data scientist with the help of statistical analysis of the data done by data analyst. Now, what are the skills required to respective relevant job role? To become a data analyst, you should expert in programming language and data visualization tool with communication. To become a data engineer, you should know programming language, statistics, and data wrangling, as well as software. To become a machine learning engineer, you should expert in machine learning, programming tools, and data intuition, as well in statistics. And to become a data scientist, you should have all the skill set expert. If you like the video, please subscribe it, like it, and share it. If you have any doubt, please mention in comment box. I will reply definitely. Thank you so much.